Happy ka na.
Pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast. Please welcome the one and the only Hilda Coronel. You are back because of a movie that you're going to do with Ideas First.
Yes.
Ano ito?
I'm going to do a historical thriller for Idea First with Juliana.
Directing it?
Yes, directing it.
Ano ang vision mo sa Sisa na gagawin mo?
They see her as a mad woman at the beginning. But she was very damaged because her whole family was decimated during the occupation when the Spaniards ceded the country to the Americans. So, occupied na naman ang Pilipinas. So we were like living in a mga, parang, sort of like a concentration camp, concentrados, they call it, you know? Garrison niya, parang scorched earth policy with the Americans. So, we have the nationalists on the rise, on the other side. So we're showing all sides, the bad side of the nationalists, the bad side of the American occupation, and all that, and the things in between, from the perspective of the people that were there in this particular bayan. Yeah, in a way, when I read my scripts, I go, napapanaginipan ko na yung mga eksena. Because I'm trying, my mind is trying to see, it's like a movie in my brain, you know, I'm trying to see how I'm going to attack that scene, and then I discuss it with him. You know, I say, June, so umpisa pa lang nito, dapat ganito. Bait naman sila, they listen to, you know, nagko-collaborate talaga kami. And here, the dialogue here shouldn't be like that because this is a confrontation. So, okay naman. So, I really internalize that and I get into my role as anybody. So, pumapasok talaga. Paglabas ko, pagtungtong ko na sa bahay, papapasok na ako ng kotse, Sisa na ako. We talk about the scene and what he wants and what, you know, kung gusto niyang kaliwa lang yung tears ko or sa kanan.
You can do that, Susan?
Yes, in my youth, okay, wag na yung hiligin.
No, hindi kita pagkagawin. Kaya mo yung, hindi pala miss yun na ang tulong ng luha ay sa kaliwa.
Kaya kasi lighting very important kay Lilor. So pag sabi niya gusto ko dito bumagsak yung luha mo, okay, ganyan. So I do my best. But he talks to me on the side and Lino knows me in and out. He knows all my stories, my, you know, my heartaches, everything, my personal stuff. I trust him with that. So he would tell me, I want you to use your experience here. Gamitin mo dito sa eksena na ito.
If you were to talk to the 12-year-old, I mean, you know, the 12-year-old Susan, Hilda Coronel, anong sasabihin mo sa kanya?
I think I was very afraid at the time.
And you would say?
And I would say, well, akasan mo loob mo. Gusto mo maging artista. Kasi kinakaladnad na ako ng nanay ko since I was young eh. So, but I was so shy, boy. I didn't even know what that meant, yung maging artista ka.
Susan Hilda.
Susan.
Pilipinas, Amerika.
Pilipinas.
Mahusay, maganda.
Maganda.
Maamo, mataray.
Taray.
Maarte, magaling umarte.
Magaling umarte.
Forever beautiful or forever sexy.
Beautiful.
Artistang tinarayan mo noon.
Marami.
Leading man na muntik mong maging boyfriend.
Marami. I won't tell though. I won't tell.
Susan, lights on or lights off?
Off.
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolates.
Best time for chocolates?
Anytime.
Complete the sentence. Ako si Hilda Coronel. May K ako kasi.
May K ako kasi gagawin ko ang Sisa. Christmas wish for Tito Boys, love, peace, contentment, happiness. Merry Christmas, Tito Boy.